Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are doing great. Welcome of you to another class with English Proficiency. This is Mohammed. Last session we have seen how to conjugate and use verb to be with the positive form. If you have missed that video, you will find the link just below. In today's class, we are going to see the negative and the question forms. Here we go. Verb to be with the positive form is I am or am. You are or you're. He is or his. She is or she's. It is or it's. We are or you're. They are or they're. Before we move to the negative and question forms, please just let me remind you of when to use verb to be. We use verb to be to talk about names. He is Karim. And age, Dunya is 27 years old. Feelings, I am happy. Nationality, John and Kristen are American. Jobs and professions, my sister is a nurse. We also use verb to be to describe a person or a thing. So for description, we use adjectives. Examples: Karim is a nice person. For a thing, Casablanca is a beautiful city. It is quite easy to use the negative form with verb to be. Please let's see. I am not or am not. Example: I am not happy. He is not a doctor. She is not fine. It is not dangerous. We are not friends. You are not fine. They are not married. Before we move to the question forms, let's first have an exercise. Short one.
Exercise number 1. Fill in the blanks with I'm not, is not, are not. Number 1. I, American. I am Spanish. Number 2. Nisrin, my sister. Number 3. This, a table. It's a laptop. Number 4. It is cold today. It, hot. Number 5. My friends, bad. You can pause the video to do the exercise. Now, let's see the answers. Number 1. I am not American. I am Spanish. Number 2. Nisrin is not my sister. Number 3. This is not a table. It's a laptop. Number 4. It's cold today. It is not hot. Number 5. My friends are not bad.
It is also very easy to use verb to be with the question forms. All you need to do is to apply the inversion of the subject. Let's see. Am I? Am I happy? Is he? Is he a doctor? Is she? Is she fine? Is it dangerous? Are you okay? Are we still friends? Are they married? Up to now, we have seen everything about verb to be, how to conjugate and use verb to be, and how to ask and answer questions. From today on, we are going to focus more on speaking. So, next session will be a chance for you to practice spoken English. Please, before we say goodbye, let's do this exercise and make sure you do it. Take good care of yourself. Bye-bye for now.
Exercise number 2. Change these sentences to questions. Number 1. You are American. Number 2. He is great player. Number 3. It is a Chinese phone. Number 4. Catherine is a doctor. Number 5. It's a beautiful movie. You can pause the video to do the exercise. Now, let's see the answers. Are you American? Number 2. Is he a great player? Number 3. Is it a Chinese phone? Number 4. Is Catherine a doctor? Number 5. Is it a beautiful movie?